Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications for yo. Yeah. Okay, so oh my gosh, y'all. I have on lipstick. I'm so excited. I haven't worn lipstick since quarantine, since we had to start wearing those stupid masks. But I was like, I should wear some lipstick. So I'm wearing lipstick. But anyways though, so what's up y'all? This video is going to be a try on haul, or this is gonna be like a try on video. So I got some clothes from a clothing company called R.A.T.S. Big homies, the big dogs over at R.A.T.S sent me a little package. So it's some clothes in here. And I'm gonna open them. Oh my gosh, how cute! Oh, already! I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even open it yet. I just saw the hat, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all know, I stay in a hat, y'all. Y'all know. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. Gosh, is this a crop top? Stop playing. If y'all don't know, I'm from Indiana. Place your game. R.A.T.S thing. Okay. Here's a little tag. It looks like this. It says, with our clothing, we hope to inspire the region to reach above the stars. Nice, nice. So this is what it looks like. It's got this one on the back of it, and I got these little pins, so it comes with these little pins. Oh my gosh, how cute! So a little rat sticker. Oh, that's gonna go in my sticker book. Who likes the stickers, you guys? I like the stickers. It's gonna go in the sticker book. Oh. See what I was in here? What is this? Panties? Oh, it's a. Oh, it's cute. Cute little tank top. This is so me. Tell me this is not me, y'all. Yeah, I can't wait to wear this. Look how cute. It's got the little rat on the side. Oh, look at the back. This is what the back looks like. Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear this, y'all. Because y'all know I be wearing stuff like this. And it feels like a sturdy quality, but it's thin because, oh my gosh, out here in Arizona is so hot. So this is going to be perfect. Literally perfect for me. They sent me a pink dad hat, y'all. A pink dad hat. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I be wearing these hats. Y'all know I be wearing these hats. Look. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to wear this. Will it fit on my braids? Fit on my braids. Alright, so let me see. Let me check out this hoodie though. Let me check out this hoodie though. Y'all, this is so cute on me. Let me show y'all. Okay, hold on. This is so cute on me, y'all. Look. So cute, and I like this because it's a sweater, and it's like it's not a heavy like sweater. So this is perfect for living out here in Arizona because it gets chilly, it gets cold, but it's not cold to where you need like a thick sweatshirt. But this is like the perfect like thickness, and it's so soft. It's like fleecy on the inside. This is super cute, y'all. This is super cute. If you live in Indiana, you need to be supporting this black-owned brand. If you're shopping for clothes, you need to be supporting this black-owned brand. I'm gonna try on this tank top. Super, super cute. Super, super cute. Okay. Yeah, so this is the little tank top. Let me go back. This is the little tank top. This is what it looks like. Has the little logo right there. Mousy on the side right there. I wanted to wear this hat with my braids. I totally could. But I can't wait. Now I want to take my braids out just so I can wear this hat. I just love pink. I just love pink. Like I wasn't expecting it to be pink. Ooh, so cute. This is so cute. So that is the end of this try on haul, y'all. Please visit R.A.T.S. These are my homies. These big homies. I've known them since high school. We went to high school together, and they're really taking off as fashion designers and like just developing this whole brand and this whole clothing line, and I'm so proud of them. We should support other people doing big things. So you can shop R.A.T.S at therattrap.bigcartel.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. Contact information and email address will be in the description box below as well. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.